Hi, the next topic is locking. Sometimes, you may have an object placed exactly where you want it, and you want to avoid moving it by accident. For example, if you have a large image or graphic as a background for the page you may select it and move it accidentally if you're not really careful. To help you avoid such situation, Illustrator CS6 has a function called locking. When an object is locked, it can't be moved, adjusted, and altered in any way. To lock objects, select them using selection tool, then choose the object you want to lock. I want to lock these two objects. Then choose objects, choose the lock, then click selection or by simply Control 2. Here, the object we've been selected cannot be moved as you can see. We can drag this, but the object we've been locked, we can't drag it. Notice how Illustrator restricts objects from being altered in any way. To unlock the objects, just go again to the objects, then choose unlock all, or simply Control Alt 2. You can now move and drag it freely.